Today I'm going to teach you how to create this immaculate paper mixed media effect for your music videos inside of Premiere Pro. And make sure to stick to the end because I'm going to give away a free 4K overlay of this paper texture. Let's go. All right, we're inside of Premiere Pro. The first thing we're going to do is object mask. So if you're in Premiere Pro 2026, there is a new object mask button and you go over here, click on it, make sure at the very beginning of your clip, and then click on the object mask and it will analyze your clip, and boom, just like that, it has automatically selected our subject. If it misses any areas, you can just drag and color it like over with your lasso tool, and it should be able to make those adjustments for you. That's pretty crazy so far. We got a pretty good selection. And then if you miss any areas, you can just hold Option or Alt and then just unselect them. So now what we're going to do is we're going to select this entire mask. So at the very beginning of our clip, make sure that's very important, then hit this play button, and then boom, just like that, it automatically starts tracking our subject and creates a mask around them. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drag this object mask down until you get to the opacity tab. Drag that onto the opacity tab and boom, just like that, we got our rotoscope subject. One thing I forgot to do is we're going to go ahead and hold Option or Alt and duplicate this layer. And on this very bottom layer, we are going to delete that object mask. And that way we have a nice plain background image. Now what we're going to do is for this background layer, we're going to go ahead and right click it and label it something like blue, just so we can keep note that this is the background. So on this blue layer, we're going to go ahead and go to the lumetri color, go to the basic color correction, and turn the saturation all the way down to gray. So the rest of the layer is in black and white. One other thing I recommend doing is applying a posterized time effect. This is just a really great way to add that paper texture feel. So we drag and drop that posterized time and then change the posterized time frame rate to 12. And then just like that, we got this crazy choppy background while our subject stays perfectly fine in motion. Now we're going to hold Option or Alt and drag up on that green layer one more time to duplicate it again. Then we're going to go ahead and right click the middle layer and we're going to nest it. Doesn't matter what you name it, just hit enter. And I'm going to label this one yellow so that we can keep track of it. So now for this yellow layer, we're going to go to our effects. We're going to search for the stroke effect. Now we're going to apply the stroke effect to the yellow layer, and then we're going to go ahead and increase that size up to something like, let's do 40, maybe 50. And we're going to change the color to like a very lightish gray, not fully white, just a nice lightish gray. And then we're going to decrease all the roundness to 0. So then we get these nice choppy edges. And then this gives us our paper edge feel. One other thing I might do is I might also just copy that posterized time from this bottom blue layer and then hit Command V to paste it to our paper texture edge. Now the paper texture edge is feeling a lot more choppy and paper-like. Now it's time to add our mixed media texture overlays. So I've linked to these free 4K overlays down below, but I'm going to actually be using our AutoEdit plugin. So this is the plugin you're seeing right here. It actually has a visual effects applier built inside of it. So it has a bunch of 4K overlays already encoded inside of it that we can just apply with just the click of a button. I'm going to hit insert at playhead and boom, instantly it automatically applies a 4K overlay for us, already blended and adjusted. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. We're going to move it a little bit to the left so we get some paper rip edges, and I'm going to put this behind our top subject layer, so behind the green layer, and then everything else has this crazy paper texture. This looks so sick so far. One other thing I might do is I might add some mixed media like newspaper effects, which we luckily have inside of here. So let me go ahead and grab a mixed media overlay. Yeah, let's do this one. I'm going to hit insert at playhead and boom, it automatically applies that paper mixed media newspaper effect. One thing you might notice is that yes, this is a green screen one, so it's really easy to just key out. We just go to our effects and controls, we search for the ultra key effect, apply that to the green screen clip, and then we're going to go ahead and key out that green, and boom, just like that, we got some mixed media newspaper effects going on. We got some paper rip edge textures. It's just looking really crazy. Now, as I always say on 11%, no effect is done without a camera shake, which we also have built inside of AutoEdit. So we're going to go ahead and go to the camera shake applier tab, and we're just going to apply one of these camera shakes that we like. So as you can see, there's a bunch of crazy presets in this plugin. We just hit insert at playhead and boom, it automatically builds our camera shake for us, building all the keyframes, all the adjustment layers, and everything looks super clean. Boom, instant camera shakes, looks super clean. Now make sure to download those free 4K samples down below in the description. Hopefully you found something valuable. Now if you want to learn how to automatically cut music videos to the beat of the song and instantly apply visual effects, also using the AI AutoEdit plugin, make sure to check out this video linked right here.